Hello procrastinators and welcome back. So today we are going to do a quick video on using the Cricut mini press. I am going to use it to put some decals on this umbrella. I am doing the making strides for breast cancer walk, and it's supposed to rain, so I want to make my umbrella look fancy, so I'm gonna do that. So stay tuned. Before you do that though, please like, subscribe, hit that bell. Now that I've said all that, let's get started. Okay, so let me show you guys what I have done. So I have I've printed these, but I'm going back and I think I'm gonna make this smaller because I don't like the way it cut each individual letter. So I'm gonna actually go back and make that smaller, and then I'm gonna put that on here. So I'm not gonna show you that today. But I also took some vinyl, and so the name of our team is Virginia Divas. And of course I have the pink ribbon there, and then on another panel I'm gonna put "We Love You" with my Aunt Ella's name on there, and she passed away on 10/18/18. So I'm gonna put that on another panel. So I am going to use the new Easy Press Mini to do this. And I'm trying to do this where you guys can see it. I've done this also with just my regular Easy Press. And what I'm doing right now is just getting a towel, one of my little scrap towels, to put underneath here so that I don't burn myself. Alright, so let me just kind of center this, and then I'm just gonna hoping you guys can see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and I have it right now. This is my very first time using this thing, so you know, I don't know, this setting might be a little too hot for what I'm doing. So, finally got it to where I can press from the back. So I'm pressing from the back with my towel, and I'm sure you can probably do this where you are maybe not have it expanded, and then you can do it. I'm not making a complete sentence, am I? Where maybe you don't have it expanded, and then you can just go ahead and do it while the umbrella is flat. But I thought this might be better as far as gripping the umbrella and being able to get that towel underneath. So I'm just going over, just staying a few seconds over every letter. La 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 la. I'm gonna let that cool a little bit. And then should be able to pull that off. And of course my phone starts to do whatever. A little bit more. There we go. So look, y'all, so cute. So like I said, just a cute way to just have another surface that you can put stuff on. So again, I'm going to take the Making Strides logo, and I'm going to put that on another side of this, and I'm going to put the day that my aunt passed as well on another panel. So I'm going to do that, and I will show you guys a picture of everything at the end. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you all the next time. Bye.